11th question. 11th question. The number of passengers on a train increases from 63 to 77. You can understand. It was earlier 63 passengers. Now it has increased to 77. Calculate the percentage of increase. Now you know the formula for percentage of increase. Percentage increase is equal to, you will be taking the increased value minus the previous value, that divided by the previous value and multiplied with 100. This will give you the percentage. Okay, we are taking our calculator. 77 minus 63, this gives you the difference of increase, 14. Okay, that 14 divided by initially how many passengers were there, 63, multiplied with 100. So I am taking 14 divided by 63 and that multiplied with 100, which gives me 22.22. So the increase in percentage is 22.22, or you can state it as 22. It's up to you. Okay, now I'm moving to the next question. Hope till now you understood whatever I taught. I'm taking the next question. A cone with height, they have provided us height. For our reference, I'm writing here height is equal to 14.8 centimeters, volume is equal to 275 centimeter cube. Calculate the radius of the cone. Okay, they have given the formula of volume. Simple. In the formula you are going to substitute, in the place of volume you substitute 275 equal to 1 by 3 pi. They asked us to find the radius, so let it be r square. Height is equal to 14.8. both are in centimeters, no problem. You don't want to convert anything. Now move all the known terms to the other side. I'll write 275. 3 is in division, which will go as multiplication, divided by pi was in multiplication, which will come to the denominator, and 14.8 is also in the numerator as multiplication with r square. When you take to the other side, it will become division, is equal to r square. Now I'll be calculating the values. Again, I'm taking 275 multiplied with 3 divided by pi multiplied with 14.8. Okay, we have 17.74, and now we need the square root because r square is 17.74. so I'll be writing here 17.74 is equal to r square. Now I can state r is equal to square root of 17.74. We will be taking our calculator. Very simple. In the calculator, directly write square root of answer. That gives you 4.212. I'll be writing here 4.212, or I can simply state here 4.2 centimeters. Clear? Now factorize. The next question, 13th question, factorize. A question is 7k square minus 15k. In this problem, we have to check the numbers first, then the variables. Okay, you are going to take the common values out. 7 and 15 don't have any common factors, so just skip the constant. Check. Here we have k square, here we have k, so I can write 1k will come out. Other things write as such 7 square means, k square means 2 k's are there, 1k already we have taken out, so 7k minus 15. When you multiply k inside, the same will be coming back. In that case, your answer is correct. Okay, now I'll be writing here k multiplied with 7k minus 15. B, I'm taking B. 12 multiplied with m plus b plus 8 multiplied with m plus b the whole square. That means this represents as a, the whole expression represents as a single term. I have here one expression, here double of that expression, 2 times, 2 power 2. So I can say m plus b one time, it will come out. 12 and 8, they have a common factor 4. So I'm bringing 4. 4 for the numbers, and for this expression m plus b. Now 12 divided by 4. We are taking 12 divided by 4, which gives us 3. That means 3 will stay back. Only one m plus 4 expression is there. Already I have taken, so no expression will be here. Plus 8 divided by 4 is 2. I have power 2. That means 2 times this will be there. 1 time already is there outside. Now I am writing just one more time. I am repeating. If you are taking these two inside and multiply, you should get the same question. In that case, you have did a correct job. Otherwise, you have to check again. Now, the next question is 14th question. Eric invests an amount in a bank that pays compound interest at a rate of 2.16% per year. Eric is investing in a bank which pays a compound interest of 2.16% per year. At the end of 5 years, the value of his investment is $6,999.31. Calculate the amount. So we know amount formula. Amount is equal to principal multiplied with 1 plus r divided by 100 the whole power n. Here r is the rate of interest, n is the number of years or periods, I can say. P is the principal amount. Okay, they want us to find the principal amount. Y means the value at the end of 5 years. The value of his investment means after 5 years, that will be the total amount. So I'm writing here 6,999.31 as the total amount, and what he paid initially as the principal amount, which we are going to find amount he invested. That is the initial investment, plus rate. Rate is 2.16 since it's in percentage, divided by 100, and the year count is 5. Simple. Now we will be taking P, this term, to the other side. P alone one side. So P will stay back. We have 6,999.31 divided by 1 plus 2.16 divided by 100 the whole power 5. Okay, take your calculator, fix this. 6,999.31 divided by, open bracket, 1 plus, again we have fraction, 2.16 divided by 100, and you have to close the bracket. Now the next important thing is the power. You should write the power as 5. Hope you can understand the calculation part, how I am doing. Since you are in O level, bit complicated, but try to understand. This way it's easy for you to calculate. We have 6,290.00. Okay, so I'm writing here the principal amount is 6,290.00, or you can just say $6,290. That's it. Okay, now I'm taking the next part. Continuing with 15th problem. Here we have a diagram. A, B, C are points on the circle. A, B, C are the points on the circle. C, center is O. AB and OC intersects at P. Find the value of W. Okay, the first thing is I'm going to find this angle. Sum of interior angles of triangle is equal to 180 degrees. With that statement, I'm writing 21 plus 104 plus angle P is equal to 180. Now I'll be moving this 180 minus 21 minus 104, which gives me 55. That will be P when you move these two to the other side. So angle P is equal to 55 degrees. This angle is 55 degrees. I want this angle 55 degrees. They will be equal. We know this concept. Okay. Now, if we know angle B means only, we can apply the same concept of sum of interior angles of the triangle here to find W. So to know B, we have to know one rule. The rule states that angle subtended at the center, that is 104 degrees, will be equal to 2 times of angle on the circumference, that is for the point P. I am taking this, which gives me what as a value means 50B. Okay, 2 times on the angle of the circumference. Very simple. Angle subtended at the center is equal to 2 times of angle on the circumference. You know the meaning of circumference. So for the B, now I am writing B is equal to 104 divided by 2, which gives me 52 degrees. Now it's so easy for us. This is 52 degrees, sum of interior angle concept. So I will write 55 degrees plus 52 degrees plus W degree is equal to 180. Again, W degrees is equal to 180 minus 55 degrees minus 52 degrees. Okay, so you will be taking your calculator. 180 minus 55 minus 52, that is 73 degrees. W is equal to, I'm repeating, in this diagram they want us to find W, so you people will be going with angle of sum of interior angles of the triangle to find P. This side angle P will be the same as this side. Okay, Y means we have a concept of similar triangles. Okay, and you will be proceeding to find with B with a proper T, and then the same concept of sum of interior angles of the triangle, and you will be getting 73 degrees. Now the next question is, by drawing a suitable tangent, estimate the gradient of the curve at the point P. So you have to draw a suitable tangent. Already I have a pencil mark. Okay, like this you place your ruler and draw a suitable tangent. Now you people should know the tangent gradient formula. M, okay, is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. I need 2 points. Fine, I am fixing 2 points as 0.21. This one point I am fixing, which is 0.21, and another point, this same point I am fixing 2, 1. Okay, now I can go with my formula. I am fixing 0.21, 0, 2.1 and 2, 1. Let me mark this as x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Now 1 minus 2.1 divided by q minus 0, which gives me here minus 1.1 divided by 2. We will be taking our calculator. Again, you can do directly. You don't want to repeat this and all. You can take the fraction part. 1 minus of 0, 2.1 divided by 2 minus 0 is the same 2. We will be having here negative of 0.55. I can write it as negative of 0.6. Here ends this problem. Okay, next question is, find the value of n when 5 to the power n is equal to 1 divided by 125. Now I can write this 125 in terms of 5 to the power something. How we can write this, that we are going to see here. Okay, so we are writing this as 5 to the power n is equal to 1 divided by, let me check. Okay, 5 multiplied with 5 is 25. Again multiplied with 5 gives me 125. So I can write this as 5 to the power 3. Okay, I can move this term to the numerator provided that the power sign will change. So 5 to the power negative 3. This implies n is equal to negative 3. You will be just comparing the powers. N is equal to negative 3. Now simplify. 64 divided by m cube, the whole power negative 1 by 3. Very simple. If you take the reciprocal of this, the power sign will become positive. Step 1 is m cube divided by 64 reciprocal of the fraction. So the power will become positive. Now you're taking power inside. When you take power inside, m to the power 3, the whole power 1 by 3 divided by 64 power 1 by 3. Okay. Then now I'll be writing here m power 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 3 multiplied with 1 by 3. The same concept. So power 1 divided by just 64 power. Okay, fraction 1 divided by 3. So what we have? 4. We will be writing 4. Our answer is m divided by 4.